Hello everyone, welcome to Integrated Math 2 with Mr. Schultz. Please make sure that you put your first and last name at the top, as well as your date and your period. Once again, the volume of pyramids is going to be 1/3 the base, the area of the base, times the height, where the height is the height of pyramid, and the base, the area of the base, is equal to the area of the base. So what is that? Well, let's write it down right here first. The base of a regular polygon is going to equal n, or let's start with s. S, we'll get out of there. S, the sides, times n, times a, the apothem divided by 2. Remember, it's about triangles. What triangles do we see? So if we look right here, we can see that this is going to be a pentagon. There's a triangle right here. This triangle has a base of 6, and the height of it is 4.1. So the area would be 6 times 4.1 divided by 2, because that's the area of a triangle, and there's 5 of these triangles in this pentagon. So let's write it out. The volume is equal to 1/3 the area of the base, which is 1/2 4.1 yard times 6 yard. So this is the area of the base right here. And now I'm going to times it to the height of the pyramid, which is 11 yards. And so now we can be like, all right, where are we going to get this? Well, half of 6 yards. So I'm going to start doing some mental math. Half of 6 yards is 3 yards. So I'm going to write this right here, 3 yards. And I still have this 1/3. So the volume is still equal to 1/3 times 3 yards times 4.1 yard times 11 yard. All right, well, what's 3 yards divided by 3? That's going to be 1. So it's 1 yard times 4.1 yard times 11 yard. At this point, I'm just going to say, hey, man, stop flexing, and just write this as cubic yards right here, or yards to the 3rd power. But what's 1 times 4.1 times 11? Get out your handy dandy calculator and go ahead and put 4.1 times 11. And we get 45.1. So the answer is going to either be 45.1 cubic yards or 45.1 yards cubed. Each of those are a correct response, because we are doing the basic math thing of counting what? Little boxes or little cubes. So let's do another one. This guy right here is a hexagon. There are going to be 6 little triangles inside here. So if we understand this, we understand that this area of the base, so volume is equal to 1/3 the base, the area of the base, times its height, the pyramid's height. So I know this is going to be volume is equal to 1/3. Well, now let's write out, let's say the h. H is the easiest one. The height of the pyramid is 12 kilometers. Well, that's nice. So I know that this one, if I work it out, it's going to be 4 kilometers. But let's go back. The area of a hexagon is going to be S. The side length is 6 kilometers, or 6 kilometers. And then the number of sides are 6. And finally, the apothem from the side to the center is going to be 5.2 kilometers. And so we would get the volume is equal to 4 kilometers times 6 kilometers times 6 times 5.2 kilometers. I should really make sure to say it correctly, especially in my videos. I like to say it kilometers, but that's not correct. It's kilometers. It's one of those weird, how does it look type of deals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 4 times 6 times 6 times 5.2 in my calculator. And I'm going to put the kilometer times kilometer times kilometer together and get kilometer to the third power. And I get 748.8 kilometers cubed, because we're counting cubes. So make sure when you're doing these that you understand you're figuring out the height of the pyramid and the area of the shape that this is built on. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys in class and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.